I'm here today at the IBC stand, and I've got Thomas Bart from IBC Germany here with me. And yeah, maybe please just give our listeners a bit of an introduction of your IBC and your position at IBC.
Yeah, I'm Thomas, and I'm from German headquarters of IBC. I'm in charge of the product management and therefore for the product portfolio of IBC. And we're here to support our subsidiary and to have a good exhibition and bring in our expertise. And of course, we want to understand what are the requests for the market, what is special for South Africa.
I mean, it's great to see that IBC shows such a contribution also to come from the headquarters to South Africa. Our cooperation has been going for a very long time, especially here in South Africa, which has been very successful. I think it's around 6 years now that we're cooperating with IBC locally. We're also looking forward to maybe having bigger corporations on a global scale. How do you see the cooperation with Solar MD?
Yeah, I see it's one of our best cooperations we have in South Africa. We invited you to our group to exhibit with us together. I think that stands for itself that we see the cooperation very well, and we grew the business together, and we are very looking forward to intensify it for the next years, because the residential segment was our start, and now we have the CNI that has to be pushed, and I think in our partnership we can do it together.
So where do you see the market going? Like, where do you see battery storage going in the next couple of years?
Yeah, the battery storage will be more intelligent, especially in the CNI. It will be more complex, and the energy management system is very important that it's well connected to the battery and to the inverter, and therefore Solar MD has the right products, and I think we can do it together.
Awesome, that's good to hear. I'm happy to hear that our solutions also work well with the IBC portfolio, and that there is more and more to come on a global scale with IBC. Thomas, thanks so much. Thank you for the cooperation, and then looking forward to reach out globally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.